Here are some camera tips and tricks for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. And we're gonna start with camera filters. In the photo mode, we can go over here and tap on this icon where we have three circles in order to open filters. And over here we can find some example filters that we have already on our smartphone. But if we go to this plus over here, we can create a filter based on our photo. So let's say I'm gonna choose this image over here. And based on this image, I can create a filter. I can also adjust the area as well, I believe. There we go. We can resize the reference area. Let's press done. And then we can create a filter based on that. And we can see how it changes. We can see how it applies the color temperature, the contrast, saturation, and so on and so forth. Besides that, what you can also do is, of course, you have different ways to zoom in and zoom out in the camera. Now you may know that you can, for example, pinch in order to zoom in and zoom out, but what you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on the zoom bar over here. If you do so, then you can just move left and right in order to adjust the zoom. And there is actually one more way that we can apply in order to zoom in and zoom out. But first we need to actually go to camera settings, and then over here we can scroll down until you find the shooting methods. And over here we have press volume buttons too, and you can choose zoom in or out. And now I can press volume up or volume down in order to adjust the zoom, which can be definitely quite convenient. Now let's actually go back to the same settings. And let's go to shooting methods. And over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different tools as well that can be quite fun to use. For example, voice commands, where we can say smile, cheese, capture, or shoot in order to take a photo without using anything. And there's also record video for obviously recording a video. There is also a floating shutter button, which allows us to get additional shutter button that we can use to take a photo, for example, and show palm gesture. And that allows us to show our hands to the front of the camera, and then a countdown starts and we can take a photo like this as well. So let me actually show you the shutter button. By default it is positioned over here, but we can drag it around and we can position it in any place pretty much. And if you tap on it, then of course it works just like a normal shutter button. We can hide it inside the normal one and we can drag it outside again. Unfortunately there is only one. You cannot have multiple. Well, you cannot have more than two, essentially. Now, besides that, we can also find some beauty options, which are available in these four dots over here, and it is this smiley face. Over here, we can enable smoothness, we can use tone correction, jawline correction, and eyes correction. This, of course, is also accessible in the front camera as well, so be sure to check that out if you want to make yourself look a little bit more prettier. Last but not least, we of course can use our cover screen, or the screen that we have at the back of the phone. More precisely, we can turn this cover screen preview on, and if we take a look, as you can see, we have the preview of the camera. So that's pretty much it. It can be quite fun to use if you are recording someone, for example, and if they want to, they can give you some guides in order to correct the position of the camera. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.